Video script, CRISPR meets AI, revolutionizing personalized therapies for every patient. Introduction. Imagine a world where medical treatments are tailored specifically to your genetic makeup. Thanks to the synergy of CRISPR technology and artificial intelligence, this vision is becoming a reality. Today, we'll explore how these innovations are transforming personalized medicine and enhancing patient care, why it's important as healthcare shifts towards personalized therapies. Understanding genetics is crucial. AI analyzes vast amounts of genetic data, predicts health outcomes, and customizes treatments. This integration not only improves healthcare delivery but also enhances patient outcomes, reducing the trial and error method traditionally used in medicine. By harnessing CRISPR and AI, we can envision a future where every patient receives precise, effective treatments. Main insights. 1. Precision medicine through genomics. CRISPR enables targeted gene edits to correct disease-causing mutations. When combined with AI, we can analyze genetic data at an unprecedented scale, identifying patterns that predict treatment responses, leading to more effective therapies with fewer side effects. 2. Predictive analytics for health outcomes. AI algorithms analyze historical patient data to forecast health outcomes based on genetic profiles. This allows healthcare providers to anticipate complications and adjust personalized therapies proactively. 3. Streamlining clinical trials. AI enhances clinical trial efficiency by identifying candidates most likely to benefit from specific therapies. Focusing on genetically similar groups reduces trial time and resources, accelerating the approval of new personalized treatments. Practical steps. 1. Understand your genetic profile. Get a genetic test to learn about your unique makeup. Many companies offer at-home testing kits for valuable insights. 2. Consult healthcare professionals. Discuss your genetic data with healthcare providers specializing in genomics and personalized therapies. They can help interpret your results and explore tailored treatment options. 3. Stay informed about innovations. Keep updated on advancements in CRISPR and AI technologies. Awareness of breakthroughs empowers you to advocate for personalized treatment options. Common mistakes or cautions. Overlooking professional guidance. Genetic data can be complex. Relying solely on online resources without professional advice can lead to misunderstandings. Assuming one-size-fits-all. Personalized medicine tailors treatments to individual needs. What works for one person may not work for another. Conclusion. The convergence of CRISPR and AI is ushering in a new era of personalized medicine. As we embrace these technologies, staying informed and proactive in our health journeys is essential. If you found this video insightful, like, subscribe, and share it with others interested in the future of personalized therapy. Source list. 1. Genetics and medicine, the role of CRISPR. 2. AI in healthcare, predicting outcomes. 3. Clinical trials, the power of AI from genes to treatments. The power of AI in tailored healthcare. Introduction. Imagine a world where health treatments are as unique as your DNA. With rapid advancements in AI, that future is becoming a reality. Let's explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing personalized medicine, making healthcare more effective and tailored to individual needs. Importance of personalized medicine. Personalized medicine is crucial as we enhance our understanding of genetics. AI analyzes complex genetic data, predicts health outcomes, and customizes treatment plans. This innovation aligns with the rise of genetics and CRISPR technology, leading to improved patient care and outcomes. Key insights. 1. Data analysis and predictive modeling. AI processes vast amounts of genetic information efficiently, identifying patterns that predict health risks and enabling proactive interventions. Point 2. Customized treatment plans. AI helps healthcare providers create personalized treatment plans based on individual genetics, enhancing treatment effectiveness and minimizing adverse reactions. Point 3. Real-time monitoring. AI tools facilitate real-time health monitoring, allowing immediate adjustments to treatment plans as patients respond, ensuring care aligns with their evolving needs. Practical steps. 1. Get genetic testing. Undergo genetic testing to understand your unique genetic profile and health risks. Point 2. Consult AI-driven platforms. Seek healthcare providers that utilize AI for personalized medicine to analyze your genetic data and recommend tailored treatments. Point 3. Stay informed. Keep updated on advancements in AI and personalized medicine to advocate for your health effectively. Common mistakes to avoid. Relying solely on AI. AI should complement, not replace, healthcare professionals. Always consult your doctor before making treatment decisions. Ignoring data privacy. Be cautious with your genetic information. Ensure any platform you use is secure and compliant with health data regulations. Overlooking lifestyle factors. Genetics matter, but lifestyle choices are also vital for health. Incorporate healthy habits alongside AI-driven recommendations. Conclusion. The future of healthcare lies in personalized medicine, with AI leading the charge. By understanding our genetics and leveraging AI, we can achieve more effective treatments and better patient outcomes. Take charge of your health today. Subscribe for more insights into how technology is transforming our lives, unlocking the future, how AI is redefining personalized medicine. Introduction. Imagine a healthcare system tailored specifically to your genetic makeup. This is not science fiction, it's the reality that artificial intelligence AI is creating in personalized medicine. Today, we explore how AI is revolutionizing healthcare, enhancing treatment effectiveness, and improving patient outcomes. Why it's important. AI is pivotal in the shift toward personalized treatments. By analyzing vast genetic data, predicting health outcomes, and customizing therapies, AI is at the forefront of innovative medical solutions. This evolution aligns with growing interest in genetics and CRISPR technology, paving the way for targeted therapies that better meet individual health needs. Main insights. 1. Genetic data analysis. AI can rapidly analyze complex genetic data to identify mutations linked to diseases, enabling healthcare providers to create personalized treatment plans. This reduces the trial and error approach in medication selection, ensuring more effective treatments. Point 2. Predicting health outcomes. Machine learning algorithms analyze extensive datasets, including patient histories and lifestyle factors, to forecast health outcomes. This proactive approach allows healthcare providers to address potential health issues before they become serious. Point 3. Tailored therapies. AI is essential in developing personalized therapies. When combined with CRISPR technology, it enables targeted treatments for specific genetic disorders, enhancing effectiveness and minimizing side effects for safer patient experiences. Practical steps. 1. Stay informed. Keep up with advancements in AI and personalized medicine by following reputable